Okay. Hello, this is Paul aka Neo. Today we're in the equatorial rainforest of Stoke-on-Trent. Me and Poppy. There's Poppy with her umbrella. We've got Max over there, Maximus Argyle. As you know, what a beautiful day. Look at the weather.
Well, it's not very nice.
Well, it's not very nice, is it? But we're used to this sort of thing now. We're not scared of a bit of rain. Get out there. Listen at that. Whoa, listen at that. Woo! Rain.
That's so crazy.
Are we going to do a musical interlude?
I don't know.
Oh, what shall we do?
What do you want to do?
Well,
Sing.
I don't care if they stand and stare. It's my choice. I'll wear my hair. Different people coming up to me and asking if our world is free, and I say, no, it's not. I'll put them right. But if you hold my hand, hold it tight tonight.
Take
Get to a better place where happiness can show her face. And I wonder why sometimes feel like this. But it's alright when I feel your kiss. You lift me up, I shoot you down. And is it fair when you make me frown? And I say, no, it's not. So there's the musical interlude. This will probably go on next week's vlog or something. So, thank you.
We're going to make this
See you in a bit.
tomorrow.